$5 trillion. Yeah, that's what e-commerce and affiliate marketing amounted to worldwide last year. And of course, you can grab a piece of that treasure. Imagine breaking free from the rat race. And I have a secret for you. ChatGPT might just be your ticket to fulfilling that dream. The first thing you need to do is find a profitable niche, products and services. So it will help you brainstorm based on current trends and needs, and in combination with your interests, hobbies, passions and skills. So in brainstorming different niches, products and services, there are 3 steps. Step number 1 is analyzing current trends. Step number 2 is aligning with your interests and passions. And step number 3 is checking product and service viability. Let's start by analyzing current trends and use ChatGPT to help us out. So ChatGPT can help you analyze demands in a variety of industries. And by examining consumer behaviors, it can guide you towards a niche that is ripe with potential. Let's look at some examples. I will show you now what I prompt into ChatGPT and how it responds. I put this prompt into ChatGPT. Now I'd like your expertise on my niche. I need the current trends in the online business side hustle niche, please. Let's look at the result. So I'm so happy about this result. The e-commerce continues to thrive, especially in niche markets. Dropshipping, print on demand, and personalized products are gaining traction. Also, remote work opportunities. With the rise of remote work, more individuals are exploring side hustles. Also, there's a demand for content creation across various platforms. And I'm thrilled about this response because it also says that there is a demand for digital courses and online learning, and in my case that suits perfectly, like digital courses, webinars and coaching services, which is perfect for me. So I'm really glad about this response. I then prompted ChatGPT with this question. Using Google Trends, can you suggest spikes in searches, emerging topics and underserved areas for me? And look at the results. It actually didn't give me the research, but it decided to show me exactly how I can get this information myself. So it does say I don't have direct access to the internet, but this is a guide on how you can utilize Google Trends yourself. And it's exactly how I know Google Trends is used. So I really like this response as well. If ChatGPT cannot give you the answer, it will surely guide you to get the answer yourself. I also like the fact that it says, remember, Google Trends offers insights based on search data, and while it can indicate emerging interests or spikes in searches, it's essential to combine this with information from other research methods. So I really like the fact that ChatGPT is telling you to be a bit more academic about this, to be more researching than just trusting this exact AI tool. I really like that. So smash like if you think that is good too. I then put this question into the prompt of ChatGPT. What are current consumer behaviors and what are the emerging needs in my niche? Let's look at the result. So it's actually giving me the perfect answer again. It says the pandemic accelerated the shift to digital entrepreneurship with more people seeking online opportunities due to remote work. It also says that individuals are increasingly interested in diversifying their income streams, and people are acquiring new skills or training online. And what are the emerging needs then? There's a lot here that is interesting, so I'm happy about that answer as well. I really like that it says that I can find solutions and services that resonate with the evolving entrepreneurial landscape. I like that. Step number 2 is aligning your interests, hobbies, passions and skills with the researched niches that you have found. And it should be fairly easy to list your skills. It's probably your education, the training that you've taken, also the experiences that you have, work-life related. And then listing your passions shouldn't be all that difficult either, because you know what you're passionate about, you can list your hobbies, and you can also Tell ChatGPT what's interesting or important in your life. And passion is a driving force when it comes to side hustles overall, or work life overall, I would say. So it shouldn't be underestimated. So with that, ChatGPT can align you with the potential in the different niches that you've found. So together, you can craft a venture that feels less like work and more like pursuing your ultimate hobby. Let's look at some examples. So I put this prompt into ChatGPT. My passions are to see people grow and learn and take hold of their own lives. My hobbies are group fitness, YouTube, and my hockey playing sons. And my expertise is coaching, leadership, education for adults, and I've been working in project management and training for over 15 years. How do you see this combined with my niche? Let's look at the results. I find that the more detailed I tell or ask ChatGPT, the better the responses are. And actually, this response with coaching and leadership, education, group fitness and wellness for entrepreneurs, YouTube channel for entrepreneurial growth, etc., is by far the best response I've gotten from ChatGPT to this day. It also talks about parenting and entrepreneurship, and while looking more deeply into this, I realize I might not do that because now also my boys are grown up. But it's so interesting how it can actually suggest something so suitable for me in these different areas. And looking at this, I find that this could be the whole of my business, not just a YouTube channel. Really grateful for that. And it really evaluates or analyzes my background and me in the most perfect way. So I'm definitely gonna like it and copy the text and put it into my working document for future business development. Step number 3 is checking product and service viability. ChatGPT will help analyze scalability, profitability, uniqueness, etc. Let's look at some examples. I put this prompt into ChatGPT. Can you name profitable products and services that I could become an affiliate marketer for in these areas? The products and services need to have affiliate programs that I can apply for. Let's look at the results. It actually came up with several brands. Many of them are to me unknown, so I have to research them, and some are actually known as well, and especially the ones on number 3, YouTube tools and resources. I already use them and market them as an affiliate myself. But this is great advice because as you build your business, you want to be able to offer products and services to complement your services to your customers, to fulfill their needs and dreams, wants and desires, and help them overcome their pain points. Assessing available time and commitment levels is crucial too, to make sure you have a healthy work-life balance as you pursue your online side hustle dream. So in this video, I'm walking you through how to find both the time and the money to keep moving. I'll see you in that one.